Okay, so for problem number 11, you notice that on the left side of the equation we have 3 different logs, and all of those logs have the same base. They're all base 2. Now, you probably have some pretty good intuition that tells you maybe we should put all those logs together. We should use the properties. So I know that I'm going to end up with a log that's base 2. Now, adding means that I can multiply the arguments. So I'm going to have x multiplied by x minus 2. Then I'm subtracting. Subtracting means that I'm going to divide this last argument. So divided by x minus 3 equals 3. Okay, now I want to simplify that argument a little bit. So I get log base 2. If I distribute that x is x squared minus 2x over x minus 3. Okay, now at this point, you can't cancel out the log. I know it's really tempting just to cross out that log. We can't do that because we don't have a log on the right side either. So we kind of hit a wall in log form. So you might want to put it into exponential form. And if you look on that blue sheet that I gave you last week, that confirms what the blue sheet says. There's a log only on one side of the equation. So on the blue sheet, it says rewrite the equation into exponential form. So this is my base, this is my argument, this is my exponent. So I get 2 to the power 3 equals x squared minus 2x over x minus 3. Now 2 to the third is 8. So this gives me 8 equals x squared minus 2x over x minus 3. Now at this point, I would put that 8 over 1, and you should be able to go from there. For problem number 15, the directions say condense and evaluate. So that gives us a clue that we have 2 things to do. We have to condense, so we have to put these 2 logs into 1, and then we also have to evaluate. So we notice that in order to put these 2 logs together, we have a 2 to deal with, a 1/2 to deal with, and a negative. If you remember, we deal with the numbers out in front first. So these numbers are powers. So I get log base 3 of 6 squared minus log base 3 of 16 to the 1/2 power. Now, 6 squared is 36. 16 to the 1/2 power, well, 1/2 power is just a square root. So square root of 16, which is 4. Now at this point, we have the same log, same base, so I get log base 3, and then there's something that I do with those arguments. If I'm subtracting, it means I divide the arguments, so I get 36 over 4. Now that's the condensing part. In order to evaluate, you have to set equal to x and find x. Good luck.